Sun cracks the sidewalk before 7 a.m. I lace my boots while the cactus holds its breath. Street signs waver like they're about to run. Coffee's cold, but still sweat's in my hand.
Well, here it is, May 11th, and we are planning on leaving May 15th for our Alaska journey. So we've brought the RV in, and usually it takes us about 3 days to pack. But Arizona, we're in Chandler, Arizona, and the weather is in the heat range. It's running up to 107, 108 during the day. So we have to get out early in the morning and load up everything. So we only have a small window. So we're going to do it over the next couple of days. So, but looks like it's a go. Yeah, I'm just loading everything up here. We have our little wagon. I put everything in the wagon. All of our stuff we've got here. We got the milepost. We got the tour book. We've got all my filming stuff and everything. So Ernie took a bin out for me. So let's go out to the RV. All of her glory. It is gonna be so hot, but we're gonna do it. So
Skin stuck to seeds of that furnace spring. Only ghosts and lizards walk at noon. So we chase the dark or greet the moon.
all right. So this is May of 2026, and we debated on whether to really take this trip to Alaska. The fuel prices are so high right now. I know some people are saying in parts it's almost $6 for diesel. But we got to thinking about it, and it's like, we had planned on doing extra things this year anyway, spending a little bit more money and do some adventure things that we really wanted to do. So we just decided to go ahead and do it. I always do a spreadsheet of my costs, my fuel, our lodging, any side tours or anything. So if anybody's interested in that, just let me know, and I will kind of keep you posted how much everything is costing us. We plan on doing a lot of boondocking, so that'll kind of help with the RV parks and stuff. So it's going to be probably a 4-month trip. So we're really looking forward to it. We did some upgrades here in the RV. We got a new recliners, theater seating. Ernie and his brother put them in and did a really good job. The sofa bed that was in here was very uncomfortable. We didn't need the bed area, so we just decided, since we're going to be living in this, all the time and during the summer, we need something comfortable. And with my back, it was pretty uncomfortable too. So I think these are going to work out really good. I'm excited to see how they work out and stuff. We did lose a little bit of our walkway, but as long as I don't pack on the pounds this summer, I think I'm still going to be able to get through and stuff. So also, we got a lot of stuff for the trip. We got water clothes, we've got the rain jackets, we've got umbrellas, we've got all kinds of stuff for that. We've got bear spray because we can't take our guns or anything like that, or we can, but we do not want to. We've got insect repellent. We've got a lot of things that we purchased for the trip. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know, and I can kind of let you know as we go what we got and everything. So it's still a little disorganized because I'm loading stuff up. So, but you guys, if there's something somewhere you want us to go and document it that's on our way, let us know. If you want to know the cost, let us know. If there's anything you want to know about this trip, just let us know and I'll make a video on it. If it's something we're going to do a couple of things like we are going to take a plane ride up to the glaciers. We've already booked that, so I'm looking forward to that. We've got our reservations in Denali, which you had to do early, so we're going to do the bus tour in Denali, and we're going to go see the dog sleds. So basically, it's just different things we're going to be doing, and we're going to kind of look and see what we want to do along the way. So, like I said, if you guys want any information or anything about it, or there's someplace you think we might be near, then let us know, and we'll post about it so that you guys kind of have an idea in 2026 what it's going to cost and what there is to do, and hopefully the weather will be great. It's 8:30 and I've been out there for an hour. It says it's 80 degrees already here outside, and it's 88 in the RV. We already turned the air conditioner on, but for some reason I don't think it's going, so we need to double check on that. So I may be done for the rest of the day because it's so hot. Okay, so it is afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock and it's 107 degrees outside. My crazy husband is out here doing something. Not sure what, but we gotta go check on him and make sure he's okay. Well, yep, he's out here working and I'm not sure what he's doing. Oh, he's taking the Blackstone out. We've got our grill, and that's going to be what we use, just our regular little grill. And I think he's taking what else are you taking out, Pops?
About it.
Oh, no, you took something else out. What did you take out? Oh, the fire pit. No, we're not going to sit out by the fire. Yeah, so it's going to give us some more extra room for clothes. Yeah, we didn't even think about it. We need summer clothes until we get up to Alaska. Then we need winter clothes, so we have to take 2 seasons worth of clothes. So we're trying to make some extra room. So that's what he's doing. Every day you see somebody come out in the middle of the day and do their chores. At least you don't have to give it a bath before we leave. Okay, it's Tuesday, day 2 of packing and stuff. And no, I'm not dressed to pack the RV. I am dressed. I'm going to go with our daughter to her doctor's appointment this morning and escort her. And Ernie's outside working on the outside stuff. It's pretty warm already this morning. I think it's 7:30 and almost 80 degrees outside. So he's outside putting the tire pressure monitors on while the tires are still cool. And he has to do the water softener and several other things. So I'm gonna go out. We're gonna take you out here and check and see what's going on with him. And probably I won't be able to do anything today. I still have to load the freezer goods and the refrigerator goods and our clothes, so we still have a lot to do. But yeah, it'll be too hot by the time I get back, and then Ernie's got an appointment too. So today's probably going to be a short day, not a lot of packing and stuff, but I'll post whatever we do. Yes, that sun is very bright out there, man. So yeah, there's Ernie out there. He's working on something. I'm not really sure what he's doing. He cleaned out all the side cabinets over there and got us some extra room and stuff. So morning, Pops. What are you doing today?
To sanitize the tanks.
Okay, he's going to do that. He's going to work on some stuff this morning while it's still cool, and We'll keep you posted. It's going to be a hot one. I think it's going to be 105 is what the forecast is. So not much we're going to be able to get done today. We'll have to get it done this morning if we're going to do it. So kind of limits how much we can do in one day. So we'll keep you posted though.
Sun cracks the sidewalk before 7 a.m. I lace my boots while the cactus holds its breath. Street signs waver like they're about to run. Coffee's cold, but still sweat's in my hand.